Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how you can create a quiz in Typeform. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. When you log in into Typeform, the first thing you will see is your workspace. This is where you can create and manage your typeforms. Click on Create Typeform button to create a new typeform. Select one of the following options: Start from scratch, use a template to open the template gallery, and then select a template to get started with, or create it for me. It kind of just gives you the basis of whatever you need based on the questions you would like to ask. And we are going to start from scratch. And this is where you will create your quiz. Now we can start building by changing the question type and adding questions, images, videos, logic, etc. So it's up to you. And at any time guys, you can watch my Typeform tutorial video to learn more how you can use Typeform in under 22 minutes. Link in the description. So hopefully this video helped you out, and yeah, bye bye.